In this video I'm going to show you how to approve a document using the Content Server workflow mechanism. So in my project initiation folder I have my new Iris document. I'm going to start the approval workflow by selecting the function menu and select Initiate Workflow. By doing this, a new workflow is started. So in this basic workflow menu or overview, I have a couple of options that I can select. So in my overview, I'm being told what to do exactly within this workflow. In my attachments tab, I'm seeing a link to the document which I want to approve. In my comments, I can add some other comments. For example, please review this document. Apply. And in my attributes, I can select the person who I want to approve my document. To let them approve my document. So I'm going to find myself, select, and for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to select myself because it's easier. Then I don't have to switch users. So I'm going to apply, select initiate, and you will get notified that your workflow has been successfully initiated. So in the background, my workflow is fired up, and in a regular environment I could be notified by email. But since I'm working within the web browser interface, and I would like to show you all the steps without switching from application to application and without switching from user to user, I'm going to show everything from now on in the web browser interface. But all these steps are available in your email as well. So in my personal assignments, I will get a new task called review. So here it says review the document, new Iris document. So if I open this step up, what you will see is when it has been started, you will see the attachment again. So I can open the document from here. By clicking on it, I'm going to select the comments, where I can see all the comments that has been added by the other user. I can also add my own comments here. And I can choose either approve or reject. So by selecting approve, I'm going to approve the document. So if I go to the workflows overview, because I am a workflow manager of this workflow, you will see that there are a couple of workflows here. So for example, my new Iris document. In this overview, I can manage the progress of my workflow. So I have a step list where you can see all the steps. But even a better view is the map view, which graphically shows me which steps have been taken at which time, and which steps are being cancelled by the decision that has been made within this workflow. So you see that the review step has been done, the status has been checked, so it's approve. It says here update document, which means that the metadata on the document has been changed, and the initiator, so the one that started the workflow, that's where the step is now, and that's a notification step. But before I'm going there, I'm first going to the attachments, where you see the document, going to the original document, not to the shortcut, and of this original document I want to see the metadata. So you will see that the status has been changed of this document to approved. So if I go to my personal assignments again, you will see that there's a final notification that my document has been approved. I can see what the comments are, I can see all the steps that have been taken, I can see a link to the document, and last but not least, I can just finalize the approval by pressing send on. So these steps can also be done from an email. And by sending on, I'm finishing my review workflow. So that's basically how you can select a document for approval within Content Server using the workflow mechanism.